Okay, here we go. Here we have 15 questions of the comparison operator in JavaScript basically. So here we have 15 questions to the comparison operators. First one is equality operator, and second one is strict equality, as well as inequality, strict inequality, greater than, and lesser than, and greater than or equal to as well. So here we see multiple questions of the comparison operators in JavaScript basically. Okay, so let's we take the first examples of the equality operators in JavaScript basically. So what we'll do, firstly we'll solve the questions according to this instruction. So okay, this is a equality operator. What will say, write a functions that compare two variables, one with the value 5 and the another with the string 5. What is the result and why? Okay, let's see in the examples. So here is the code, and just try to here I will create a new file like practice questions practice. I will rename the file name is practice.js. Okay, so first question is the equality operator. Okay, so here I will copy it. Here I will copy it and paste it here. Okay, so what is it? Here is the equality operator, and what it is saying, like value 5 and other string, what is the result and why? Okay, let's see. We'll do it. Here we go, and create a variable let num is equal to 5. Basically it should be inside the string. Okay, so let's see, and after that let second num, this is inside the double quote, this will inside the double quote. Okay, and after that let me see inside the console. I will use a tab 9. Basically it's a AI, so it will help forward second num. Okay, output is true. Let's see, here we go inside the console. So basically this is the console. Okay, and here I will paste the code. Okay, so the answers is true. How is it possible? Because using these two operator, like using this operator, like using these two equal to operators, we can compare only data. It's not a type. We can compare only data. Okay, so inside the first variable we have entered 5, and second variable we have also entered 5 number. Okay, so and let's see if we check the type of num variable, so string, and second was type of second num is also called a string, so it is true. Okay, so first question we have done. That question is equality operator. So using this operator we can compare the value. We can compare only value is how is the data is same or not. It's not a data type. Okay, so let's see on second. It's a basically a strict equality operator. Why we called it strict equality operator? Because let's see here, because using these three equal to signature, using this 3 equal to sign, we can compare the data as well data types. Okay, what I'm saying, so here I will write some code and then I'll show you. Okay, so let's suppose let num1 is equal to 6. Okay, and let num2 is equal to 6 as well, but I will write inside the double quote. Okay, tab 6. Let's see here, console.log. But here I will use a 3 equal to button according to our instructions. Okay, so and then I will paste it code inside the console and let's see what happened. It's a false basically. Why is it possible, and why he gave me the false answer? Because let's see, in num1 is consumed on number data types. Okay, and let's see inside the number2 variables is stored the string data types, the string value, so that it is showing me the answer is called false. Using this strict equality operator, we can compare the data as well as data type. So I hope you have understand. So jump to the next questions. So next questions is inequality operator, like it's called like a not. Okay, here we see the examples, like write a condition to check if the variable a with the null is not equal to the variable b. Okay, variable a with the value null is not equal to the variable b, the value undefined. What do you expect the result to be? Okay, so here we see using these examples, using this operator. So this is a basically inequality operator. Okay, we go inside the code editor, and this is a third questions. Oh, type question, sorry. Yeah, here we. So using this operator, how can we see it? How can we write the code? Okay, so here we have two variables like num3 and num4. Num3 store the 5 numbers and num4 is store the 5, but it's a string because we have written the 5 number inside the code. So after using this inequality operator, inequality operator, how is it give me the answer? You know, how is it give me the answer? So we can see here. Let's see what happened if I run this code inside the console. I think false. Because why is it false? It represents the opposite. If results comes, if result will come true, it will convert the result is in false. If the result if the result will comes that false, it will convert the true. So using this strict word, using this inequality word, basically it's represent the not thing, not. Okay, so this is our first, second, third questions. Here we okay, let's see what happen if we write, if you don't write this number, this, you see, operator, this operator. Let's see what happen inside the code. Here I will copy again and I will clear it and then copy and paste, and I will remove this sign from here. Okay, and let's see what happened. Its result is true. Its result is true, but after using this inequality operator, this is basically inequality operator, it's convert the true to false and false from true. So this is basically all about the inequality operator in JavaScript. So let's, here we go, jump to the next questions. The questions is fourth questions. The first question is strict inequality operator. Okay, so basically this is the inequality, this is a sign of inequality operator. Okay, I will zoom the, I'm zooming this screen. this is basically the sign of inequality operator, and after using this two operator, after this sign, after this operator, this is called all about the strict inequality operator. So here we copy and paste, and let's see the code of the strict inequality operator. So I will copy the all over this code and paste it here, and use the double equal to, and here I will assign number 5 and number 6. So what will happen? Guess is what will happen? The result of this code, I will copy this code from here, I will paste it here. Okay, and just run true. How is it happen? You know, so because why is it true? Let's see here. I will explain you. Control L. Simple as that. I will explain you the things about operator from scratch to end. So here I will take the example of let num is equal num1. Let num1 is equal to 5. Okay, without any double quote. Basically, it's a number. Sorry. Let num is equal to 5. Okay, let num num1, okay, is equal to 5. Console dot log num1 num is equal to num1. What you guess the answer of these questions? True. Okay, it's basically true, because it is not checking the data types, it's checking only the data. The both data are same. It's look like a 5 in num1, and it's look like a 5 as well in num variable, so that it's compare the only datas. It's not compare the data type, so that it's it will give me the answer about the true. Okay, so here I will use the strict equality operator for compare the data type as well. So I will create a variable let num1, 2, and I will give the value is 5, and let num3 and give the value is 5 as well, but it should be a string. And here I will copy this code. Okay, no, I think I can't copy it. Yeah, I can. Yes, I can. num2 and num3 using this strict equality operator. Okay, sorry, and enter. What is showing the result? What is it showing the result? False, because this operator is using and this operator checks the data as well as data type, but num2 and num3 both have the different data types, because the num2 have a number data types and num3 have a string data type. So that this 3 equal to sign basically it's a strict operator. It check the data types as well. Okay, so here I will. So after that we'll discuss about the inequality operator. Okay, so let's see here about inequality. Control L, I will clear it. So let num is equal to 5. Okay, let num1 is equal to 5 in a string. Okay, console dot log, sorry, I will use a strict, only strict, sorry, I will use a inequality operator. So I will write here num, here we go, num shift plus 1 and equal to sign as well, and num1, okay, and then false. Why is it showing me false? You have already saw in previous in in equality operator, we can use the two operators for compare the value, and it will give me the result true, very well. So it's the same, but after using this inequality operator, it will change the real value. Okay, it's changed the real value. What will be our real value? Our real value is true, but after using this equality operator, it convert the value from true to false, so it will show the value is false. Okay, sorry for the watching. And let's see here about strict inequality operator. Strict means it will check a data as well, and I think it should not be convert the real value from another value. Let's see here. Let num, okay, let num is equal to, I will clear, let num2 is equal to 5. It's a number, basically data type. And let num3 is equal to 5 as well. It's basically a string. Here I will type the console dot log, and I will type here the num2 strict operator double equal to and num3, and then I will check the answer. It's a true. Why is it true? Because after using this double equal to operator, basically it's a equality operator. So after using this equality operator, it's give me the result is false. Okay, how is it possible? It's a check the number, the data as well as the data types. Means after using this type of operator for compare the number 2 and number 3, it will check the firstly data, and after that it will check the data type as well. So number basically data is the same, but data type is not the same, so that it shows the result of false. But because we have already used the strict inequality operator, so that it's the result that converts from false to the true. So this is basically all about the strict equality and inequality operator in JavaScript. So I hope you have understand so much. Let's we jump to the next topic, that is called greater than operator. So here we have the examples about two variables. It's a basically greater than operator. I will paste it. I will copy code from here, and I will paste it inside the file. This question number is 5. Okay, 5 questions. Greater than. Here I will check. What check? Actually, we have mentioned questions as well. So x and y is 7. Okay, x is greater than y. What is the questions? X is equal to y and y is equal to 7. Write an expression to check if x is greater than y. What will be the output? Basically, question says to me, we have two variables. First one is x, that is value is 8. Second one is y, that is value is 7. And write these expressions and you check the x is greater than y and what would be the result. Okay, so here I will check it, and basically I will copy from here and paste it. Sorry for that, and paste it here. Okay, and I will delete. I will delete this code as well. Okay, fine. So here let I will initiate the variable let x and let y, and that I'll print the console.log. It's a basic greater than sign. Okay, greater than sign. So x is greater than y. The result should be in booleans. Okay, like it should be a true and it should be a false. Okay, I will copy the paste from here and I will go to the console. First I will clear this interface and I'll copy it. Yes, it's true. Question says, what is the expression? Expression is x is greater than y. Is it possible or not? It is correct or not? Yeah, the value of x is 8 and obviously the value of y is 7, so 8 is obviously 8 is always greater than from 7, so that this is the true. If I write the code this type of thing, this type of control plus a, and I will write here the x is lesser than y, so what will the result? Obviously false, you know as well, because x, like x the value 8 is not a lesser than y, 8 is not a lesser than 7, so that its result is show me the false. Okay, and after that, so this is completed, and last I think we have jumped to the next question, that is a lesser than. So we have discussed greater than as well and lesser than as well. So here is the greater than, equal to, and lesser than as well. So what we'll do here, I'll copy this code and paste it in the inside the console, and I will show you firstly x is greater than is equal to y. What will the answer? Obviously true. If I write it here 8, it will show me the answer is true. Okay, I'll show you. Instead of 7, I will write it here 8, and here I will put the equal to symbol. Okay, yeah, it's true. What is the expression? Basically the expression is, let x is the 8, y is the 8, and expression is x is greater than is equal to y. Expression is x is greater than is equal to y. Yeah, so x is, it's not a greater than from y, but yeah, it's a equal, so that it will show me the answer about true. So this is all about the basically greater than is equal to, and here we go for lesser than is equal to. Okay, and I will write the 8 instead of 7, and after that I will enter it. It is also true, because yeah, it's firstly check this condition. Yeah, x is lesser than y or not. Basically it's not, because both are same. So this equal to sign, this equal to symbol, check both are the same numbers, both are equal or not. Yeah, this is both are equal, so that it's give me the result about true. I hope you have understand so much about this less than and greater than questions in comparison operators. Yeah, we have completed I think 8th questions, and let's we have jumped to the 9th, comparing different data types. Okay, so what happens if you compare a boolean value true with a number 1 using the equality operator? Okay, what happen if you compare a boolean value, okay, boolean value true with a number 1 using the equality operator? I think comparing null and undefined, write a function that compare null and undefined using both and equality. I think we have solved these questions. Oh wait, I will solve it. Wait. The question number is 8 and 9th. Compare different data types. The boolean value true with a number 1. Okay, how can it possible it? I think false value comparison, compare. I think we have done about comparison operator. Next we'll see what happened inside the code. So I hope you have learned so much. Thank you so much.